everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking just a little bit about seasoned rice vinegar. This type of vinegar, rice vinegar, usually has added sugar, salt, sometimes sake, or even MSG, which is monosodium glutamate, in it. The vinegar is really an easy way to boost the sweet, salty, and even tangy flavors of some food. It's found in Asian sections of some grocery stores. I have seen it locally for me, which says something, so you may find it in your local grocery store. Best uses for seasoned rice vinegar would be that it's often included in sushi and salad dressings. Rice vinegar is naturally gluten-free. Do check the label to make sure that no gluten-containing ingredients have been added to them if you are sensitive to gluten in any way. Also, some people do react to monosodium glutamate, MSG. So if you're sensitive to that, make sure you check the label and be sure that it does not contain that ingredient, because you don't want to react to something that you've just purchased, okay? So, if you have any questions or comments about this, do let me know in the comments section below. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope it helps. Bye!